It's reading time with Kristel.
Today, let's learn short vowel U. B, a, g, bug. M, a, g, mug. B, a, g, pug. S, a, n, sun. N, a, t, nut. R, a, g, rug. K, a, t, cut. F, a, n, fun. G, a, m, gum. T, a, g, tug. K, a, p, cup. P, a, p, pop. M, a, d, mud. T, a, b, tub. R, a, n, run. B, a, n, bun. Bug, mug, pug. Sun, nut, rug. Cut, fun, gum, tub, cup, pop. Mud, tub, run, bun.
Thank you for watching. See you again. Goodbye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow.